See Radha guys, my name is Kumar, you're watching me. Let's start registering video without having any further ado. So basically this video is going to be the routine of 9th May 2025 and today is Friday. So basically in this video I'm going to share you that what is actually happened in my today's routine video without having any further delay. So let's start. So basically today first of all I wake up, then after that I washed my mouth, then after that I studied, then after that I ate food. Basically this is the thing what has actually happened, and after that I played with my nephew, right? Nephew and niece, right? So this is the thing what has actually happened, right? Throughout the whole day, right? And at the time of evening, I went to the Hatia market, right? In Hatia, in Bihari terms, we call Hatia to the market, right? Went Hatia with the nephew and niece, right? And so basically we went there just for a wandering purposes, and there we also ate Bihar's traditional foods as well as juice we drink, also with some snacks items, and we also clicked some photos, right, as well as shoot on these videos, right. And after that at time of the evening, we came home, right. So and after that I talked to my mother as well as my sister. I talked to my mother and I talked to my sister, and at the time of evening I ate food, and after some time later I went for the sleep. So basically guys, this is the thing what is actually happened in my today's reading video. I hope you have really understood this video. If you have really understood this video, then kindly please like it, because whenever you like some videos it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos in a very continuous manner. So yes guys, this is the thing what has actually happened. So now I'm going to start what the fourth chapter of the company law subject, right. So here is the book, company law, BCom program or BCom honors, right. So let's start. Types of companies on the basis of control: government, on the basis of control, government companies, foreign companies, dormant companies, right. And association, not for profit, and illegal association, right. So now basically, okay, so structure. 4.1 learning objectives, 4.2 introduction, 4.3 classification of company on the basis of control: holding companies, subsidiary companies and associate companies. 4.4 foreign companies, 4.5 dormant companies, 4.6 associations not for profit, formation of companies with charitable objects, section 8. 4.7 illegal association, section 464, prohibition of association of partnership of persons exceeding certain number, section 8. 4.8 summary, 4.9 answer to in text question, 4.10 self assessment questions, 4.11 suggested readings. Okay. 4.1 learning objectives. After studying this chapter, the student may be able to understand types of companies on the basis of control, difference between companies and its function, various categories of companies like government company, foreign company and dormant company. Introduction. A company is a legal entity formed by a group of individuals to engage in and operate a business, commercial or industrial. A company may be structured in various ways for tax and financial liability purposes depending upon the corporate law and its jurisdiction. There are different types of companies like government companies, dormant companies, NPO, etc., with different ownership structure, regulation and financial reporting requirements. A company has many legal requirements and rights as a person, like the ability to enter into contracts, the right to sue, or to be sued, borrow money, pay taxes, own assets, and hire employees. Classification of a company on the basis of control: holding companies, subsidiary companies, and associate companies. According to the modes of incorporation, companies may be classified into three categories: holding company, subsidiary companies, associate company. According to the mode of incorporation, companies may be classified into three categories: classification of companies on the basis of control, holding, subsidiary, and associate company. Okay, so let's start. First is holding company of section 2 of 46, that is holding company. Okay, so let's start. According to section 2 of 46 of Indian Companies Act, to holding company in relation to one or more other companies means a company of which such companies are subsidiary companies. Holding company in relation to one or more other companies means a company of which such companies are subsidiary companies. A company which holds or controls another company is called a subsidiary company. In simple word, a company which holds or controls another company is called holding company. According to section 4 of 4, a company is deemed to be the holding company of another if, but only if that other is its subsidiary. Okay. As per the Companies Amendment Act 2017, for the purpose of holding company, the expression company includes anybody corporate. The company is called a holding company if that particular company owns at least 50% of other companies and has the authority to make management decisions, influence and control the company's board of directors. Okay. The term body corporate is defined in section 2 of 11 of the Companies Act 2013. This includes or contains a private company, public company, one person company, small company, limited liability company, limited liability partnership, foreign company, okay, limited liability partnership, foreign company, etc. Body corporate or corporation also includes a company incorporated outside India. However, body corporate does not include a cooperative society registered under any law relating to cooperative societies, any other body corporate not being a company as deemed in the Companies Act 2013, which the central government may by notification specify on this behalf. Okay. Now, subsidiary company. Section 2 of 87. According to Indian Companies Act 2013, subsidiary company in relation to other company, that is to say the holding company, controls the composition of the board of directors or exercise or controls more than half of the total voting power amended by the Companies Amendment Act 2017. Company controlling composition of board of meetings. If one company controls the majority composition of the board of directors of another company, the composition of another company's board of directors shall be deemed to be controlled if it can, at its direction, appoint or remove the holders of all or a majority of the directorship. Example: the board of directors of a company A consists of 7 directors. Any other company B, which has authority to appoint 4 directors, is deemed to be the holding company of the former company A, which is called the subsidiary company. Now, second is holding of majority of shares. Third, subsidiary of another subsidiary. 4. A private company which is a subsidiary of public company is regarded as the public company. Okay, so this is the important. A subsidiary company cannot be a member of its holding company, and all allotment or transfer of shares in the holding company to its subsidiary will be void. Now the third is associate company, section 2 of 6. According to Indian Companies Act 2013, associate company in relation to another company means a company in which that other company has a significant influence but which is not a subsidiary company of the companies of having such influence and includes a joint venture company. The expression significant influence means control of at least 20%. of total voting power or control of or participation in business decisions under an arrangement. The expression joint venture means a joint arrangement whereby the parties that have joint control of the arrangement have rights to the net assets of the arrangement. Thus, a company will be treated or taken as an associate company and not a subsidiary company if it holds 20% or more but less than 50% of the share capital of another company. Example, if company A holds 23% of shares of company B, then company B is an associate company of company A, not a subsidiary company. So basically, I think that these three companies I have to learn it a very or more detailed manner. So I would like to learn this or learn this from another source: holding company, subsidiary company, and associate company. Okay. Then from next video I would like to discuss the government company. So I think that it is enough for today, guys. So let's end the video, guys. See you. Bye bye.